Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to turn on a metered connection in Windows 11. This is super helpful if you're on a limited data plan or using mobile hotspot and want to control background data usage. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button and then open Settings, or just press Windows I on your keyboard to open it directly. Now in the Settings window, look at the left side and click on Network and Internet. From here, choose the type of connection you're using, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Most people will be using Wi-Fi, so go ahead and click on Wi-Fi and then select the network you're currently connected to. Scroll down a little bit and you will see an option that says metered connection. Just toggle that switch to on. That's it. You have now turned your connection into a metered one. This will stop Windows from automatically downloading large updates, syncing stuff in the background, or using too much data without your permission. If you ever want to turn it off, just follow the same steps and switch it back to off. This is a great way to save bandwidth and keep your internet usage under control, especially when you're tethering from your phone or using a cab blend. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Windows 11 tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.